Hello and welcome to Tom's Toolbox. I'm your host, Tom Clark, and today we're discussing tips from Rexnord on properly selecting bearing seals. And as you can see, I've got a whole table full of them right here. Now, 70 to 80% of mounted bearing failures are caused by installation error or contamination lubrication issues. The seal choice affects the contamination lubrication issues, while the shaft mounting style addresses the installation issues. Now, when a bearing fails, you have to remove the gearbox and couplings to get at the bearings, right? You see, this is a tremendous cost in downtime and productivity, along with a good chance that the shaft is damaged and it may need to be replaced. Therefore, bearing selection is critical to increase uptime and reliability, and it's important to make the correct seal and shaft mounting choice. Now, today, we're going to focus on seal selection. And to select a proper seal, first, you want to look at the application. Ask yourself these questions. Is there contamination? Is it wet or dry? Fine or coarse? I mean, there are a few different seal categories designed to handle the specific applications, such as you got clearance, you got light contact, you got heavy contact, and you got auxiliary seals. Rexnord's clearance seals are, as the name implies, there is a small amount of clearance between the sealing surface and the seal. Now, they're generally made of metal, and they're going to run in just about any application, but since there is clearance, it's not the best for contaminated environments. Now, because of the clearance and material, Rexnord's clearance seals are the choice for high speed and high temperature. Up next, that's going to be the light contact seal from Rexnord, and it is as the name implies. These are generally made of Buna-type rubber and are good at fairly high speeds, and they are the best for vibrating applications. It acts almost like a shock absorber and does a fair job of reducing contaminant ingression. For the heaviest contaminated environments, Rexnord's heavy contact and auxiliary seals are going to be your friends. Now remember, less contamination in the bearing equates to longer bearing life. And heavy contact seals come in several types, such as you got spring-loaded lip seals or multiple lip configurations like triple lip seals. If moisture is combined with contaminants, choose the spring-loaded lip because in most cases they're made of rubber and metal, and when they are installed, the rubber seals up the housing. If the contaminant is mainly dry, the multiple lip heavy contact seal, that's going to be recommended. The multiple lips act as contaminant traps and do a great job of protecting the bearing. The last category to review is the Rexnord auxiliary seal, which provides another layer of protection. Now, these are generally mounted to the housing and have the capacity to hold grease. The grease provides an additional layer of protection, and the whole idea is to keep the primary seal well protected, which in turn protects the bearing. Now, these are used when there is contamination buildup or caking. The Rexnord auxiliary seal combined with the proper primary seal provides the ultimate in protection. I mean, overall, you need to remember to select the best seal for the environment, which will in turn increase your uptime and reliability, which results in what? Yes, reduced costs. Oh, don't forget to check the manufacturer's specs for speed and temp limitations as well. All of these are important. All right, well, that's going to do it for this edition of Tom's Toolbox. Now, we didn't have on any PPE today, but we had it right here just in case we did need it. Remember, always wear the proper PPE for whatever the job calls for. Safety is always priority number one. Number two, check out more videos on mihowto.com with me, Tom Clark, as your host. Thanks for watching.